नमस्ते। केफी सोल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमने लास्ट टाइम आपके साथ हैमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेचेस के वीडियो शेयर किए थे जिसमें हमने हैमस्ट्रिंग के कुछ स्ट्रेचेस बताए थे। आज हम लोग उसी को आगे लेके जाएंगे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम हैमस्ट्रिंग के ऊपर और कैसे काम कर सकते हैं उसमें वर्क करेंगे। ठीक है, तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। यू नीड टू स्टैंड, one leg in front, one leg behind. Now place this block like this. Yes. Okay. We'll require two more blocks. Hold the block with your hand and first lengthen yourself. When you're lengthening yourself, you need to ensure that you're placing block nicely. Should not be loose. Lengthen. Hold there for 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now up and down. 1, 2. Inhale while exhaling, go down. Inhale while exhaling, go down. And relax. Now we'll repeat this other side. First lengthen yourself. Now up and down. Inhale while exhaling, go down. And relax. Now we'll move to second workout.
Sure जी.
For second workout, we'll place the mat near to the wall or anything where you can hold the leg straight. So you will require knee pad for this. Place your knee on this, leg straight. Yes. Now I am placing one block like this and giving you two more blocks in front. Yes. And first lengthen yourself up. And now up and down. Same, while inhale, while exhaling, go down. Inhale while exhaling, go down. And relax. Now repeat this other side. Leg straight. Just ensure that your leg is completely straight towards the wall. Many a time what happens, people get a lot of pressure over here also while doing this workout, so you can give a support over there also. So how you can do that, I will just show you. So you can place one block and other block on top of this like this. Rest it. Okay. Yes, and now repeat. So this will give a support and this will release the pressure from that area. And relax. Let's move to third workout. For this, again you will require knee pad. Keep knee on top of this. Now I am placing block like this. Take a support of the block. Place one leg on top of that. Now I am using two more blocks in such a way that I am giving a support on your hamstring. Place your hamstring on this. Yes. And now first lengthen yourself. And now up and down. Again, relax. Now repeat this other side. Knee pad this side. Place your hamstring nicely on this. Now up and down. First lengthen yourself. Now up and down. And relax. So friends, these are the workouts. We have done only 10-10 count, but you can do repeat it for 3 sets of each workout, and you will see a lot of difference in your hamstring. Do like our video and share it with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.